Guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right, so we're doing a quick video on audio issues. If you, for whatever reason, you guys don't have your speakers aren't working, you guys are getting nothing from your audio, I'm going to tell you guys how to troubleshoot it the easy way. Now, there's a good chance that it could be your speakers that's blown, but chances are, if you have one bad speaker, then it's probably your speaker. If all your speakers have issues working, it's probably not your speakers that's the problem. Okay, what you guys want to do is, you guys want to check the audio. You guys want to check, you guys have vehicles with audio amplifiers, audio whatever, there's always fuses to them. Sometimes there's fuses in the wiring, but in any case, what you guys want to do is you guys want to make sure that the fuses are not blown, and that's pretty much it. All right, now this is an easy fix. If it's the blown fuse, it's an easy fix. If you guys crank up your audio to like, and then out of nowhere they all go, it's probably your fuse that's the problem. And if you guys don't have a spare 15 amp fuse lying around, what you guys can do is you guys can actually swap it out with a fuse that actually works, like from the heated seat. Swap it out, and if your audio starts working, there's a good chance that it's probably there's a good chance that it's probably a fuse that's blown. And it's a very, very simple fix. Just take out the fuse, go and buy another one, pop it in, and you're all good on that. In any case, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope this helped you guys out. If you guys have any questions, leave a question in the comment section. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.